Welcome back to your favorite channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a face-off between two flying gadgets that will make your head spin, literally. On the left, we have the Radclo Mini Drone, and on the right, the Glorel Drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter. Let's find out which one will be your new sky buddy. Let's start with the camera quality. The Radclo Mini Drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, giving you decent aerial shots. However, the Glorel Drone takes it up a notch with its 4K camera, 110 degrees wide angle, and the same 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers have praised the Glorel for its superior image quality, making it a favorite for aerial photography and videography. If high-definition footage is your priority, the Glorel Drone clearly wins this round. Now, let's talk about the price. The Radclo Mini Drone is the budget-friendly option at just $62, making it accessible for beginners or those just looking for some fun. On the other hand, the Glorel Drone is priced at $179. While it's more expensive, reviewers believe that the advanced features and 4K camera justify the price. If you're on a budget, Radclo is the way to go, but if you're willing to invest for higher quality, Glorel is worth the extra dollars. Next up, flight features. The Radclo Mini Drone offers fun tricks like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and 3D flip, making it a hit among kids and beginners. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and durability. The Glorel Drone, however, comes with intelligent flight modes such as GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees, along with obstacle avoidance. Reviewers have highlighted its stability and advanced features, making it suitable for more serious drone enthusiasts. Glorel's advanced capabilities put it ahead in this category. Battery life is crucial because nobody wants a drone that dies mid-flight. The Radclo Mini Drone provides approximately 22 minutes of flight time with its two 800 mAh batteries. This is quite decent for its price range. But the Glorel Drone offers a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with its two batteries, which reviewers find extremely impressive. If extended flight time is what you need, Glorel is the clear winner here. Portability is next. The Radclo Mini Drone comes with a carrying case that's super convenient for outdoor adventures. Reviewers have noted it as a practical feature for easy transport. Glorel Drone, on the other hand, has foldable arms and a lightweight design, making it perfect for travel. Its compact design has been praised by reviewers for ease of portability. While both are portable, Glorel's foldable design gives it a slight edge. Summing up the reviews, the Radclo Mini Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Glorel Drone is lauded for its outstanding camera quality, advanced flight features, and impressive battery life, making it a strong contender for more serious drone enthusiasts. Both drones have their strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. All right, it's time to crown the winner. If you're on a budget and looking for a fun, feature-packed drone, the Radclo Mini Drone is your go-to. But if you want top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and advanced features, the Glorel Drone with 4K camera is the king of the skies. So which one's it gonna be? Drop your choice in the comments below and let the drone wars begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.